Welcome to this video presenting BenGQL, an extensible benchmarking framework for automated GraphQL testing. I'm Marcello Maugeri and I'll guide you through this demo. Before seeing it in action, let me introduce the key terminology. BenGQL provides a corpus of 23 open source GraphQL applications as case studies, along with automated testing tools such as the fuzzers EvoMaster and GraphQL. The experiment driver takes as input the case studies and tools to evaluate. For each pair, it launches what we call a trial. More specifically, a trial consists of the case study running as a Docker service along with any required database, and the tool actively testing the case study by sending queries to its GraphQL endpoint. Once all trials complete, the raw results are collected in the results folder. This is where the analysis module comes in. Analysis modules are user-defined scripts that extract metrics from the raw data and transform them into processed results, ready for visualization and comparison. Now that we know the technicalities, let's see it in action with an experiment. Let's compare EvoMaster and GraphQL. Initiating an experiment is simple. You just provide the name, the tools, the case studies you want to run, and the time budget. This will start parallel trials until completion. I have already run the same experiment, so you don't have to wait hours to see the results. Once done, we can run the analysis module. For this experiment, we are interested in two metrics: positive coverage, meaning the number of endpoints that can be queried successfully, and negative coverage, representing the number of endpoints where errors can be found. That's it. Just two commands to orchestrate a whole experiment. In fact, running this simple script extracts data from our results folder, gathering the metrics required for visualization. Integrating a new case study is easy. It just needs a Docker file, checking out the code from a remote repository, and installing the dependencies, and a Docker Compose file to run and monitor the execution through the health check. Integrating tools follows a similar pattern, with the only requirements that the results folder must be mounted as a volume and the network access to the host machine must be configured, like adding this extra hosts configuration. In addition, it requires a few lines to be added in the experiment driver to map the placeholder tokens, like the target URL or the output dir path, to the tool-specific command line arguments. BenGQL is open source, actively maintained, and open to contributions. We are waiting for your pull requests. Thank you for watching.